discuss here positive sentences of simple present tense. So always remember with I, we, you, they. जो अगर आपका सेंटेंस में आई, वी, यू, दे सब्जेक्ट दिया हुआ है तो आपको V1 ओनली यूज करना है. आपको क्या यूज करना है? V1 ओनली. मतलब केवल फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आपको यूज करनी है. क्या यूज करनी है आपको? केवल फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ विद ही, शी, it and names. With he, she, it and names, what do you have to use? V1 plus S, ES और IES. अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट he, she, it नेम के फॉर्म में दिया, नेम मतलब सीता, गीता, रीता, एनी नेम, ओके, जॉन, पीटर, डेविड, जिमरॉन, whatever names, okay. So if the subject is he, she, it names, then you have to use V1 plus SES or IES. All right. And now you can frame the sentences. For example, just understand. I'll give you a very simple formula to frame the sentences. Me frame a sentence from I. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. मैं daily school जाता हूँ. Correct. This is the sentence. And this is the activity which you do daily. Okay. That's why it is coming in. मैं daily school जाता हूँ means I told you when we talk about daily routine then we use simple present tense. And what you can use for we, you can use that we go to school daily, you go to school daily, they go to school daily. And the same you can make in the same way. He, अगर आप he से इसको बनाते हो तो क्या हो जाएगा? He goes to school daily. He goes to school daily. अब आप बोलोगे कि यहाँ पे गोज क्यों हुआ? गोज इसलिए हुआ कि अगर आप हमेशा ध्यान देना, अगर आप सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में ट्रांसलेशन कर रहे हो और अगर आपका वर्ब के अंत में ओ आता है, क्या आता है? अगर आपका वर्ब के अंत में ओ आता है और उसके पहले कोई कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर है तो आपको केवल ईएस ऐड करना है. क्या ऐड करना है? आपको ईएस ऐड करना है. और उसमें कई रूल्स हैं जो कि आपको, अगर आप हमारा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑनलाइन जो पूरा कंप्लीट हमने स्पोकन का कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है, अगर आप उसको लेते हो तो ये सारे छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स जो आपको मिल जाएंगे. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू नीड दैट you comment me, you just send me a comment, I want that lecture, so I will post it for you. Now the next is that he goes to school daily. अगर आपको she से बनाना था तो क्या हो जाता है? She goes to school daily. It से बनाना था तो it goes to school आप नहीं बोलोगे because it is used for non living or for a small living things. Okay, it या तो non living या तो small livings के लिए यूज होता है. तो it आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो it rains heavily in monsoon. मतलब मानसून में, बरसात के दिनों में बहुत तेज बारिश होती है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी अंडरस्टैंड हियर. अब इफ वी हैव टू यूज माय मदर टेक्स हॉट टी एवरी मॉर्निंग. मेरी माँ हर सुबह गर्म चाय पीती है. तो माय मदर टेक्स हॉट टी एवरी मॉर्निंग. व्हाट इज कमिंग? इट्स कमिंग इन हैबिचुअल एक्शन समवेयर. द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. सन जो है वो पूरब में उगता है और पश्चिम में अस्त होता है. ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके, सो दिस वी डिस्कस हियर. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, in daily routine you can say, you know, whatever you do daily I get up early in the morning at 6 a.m. then I get fresh. After that I have bath, then I worship for some time, then I meditate. So whenever you speak about your daily routine, that's why I have sent you a daily routine video. Just you watch my daily routine video. I have explained you it in a very well form. And you know, my dear friends, tenses does not mean making translations, taking Hindi sentence and making translation. No, not at all. Tenses means to understand how to apply it in day-to-day life. So what is your now homework? Your homework is whatever you do on daily basis, whatever you do on habitual basis, whatever is universal truth in your life, or whatever you see around yourself, the universal truth. Please frame some sentences. Okay, after that make a paragraph and use it in day-to-day life. Okay, you speak it up, record your, and you know what you can do? You can record this lecture. It will be very much easy for you. So now let's move for the next. And now one more thing. And now matter comes, if you would like to know what to do when we are talking about positive, negative and interrogative. My dear friends, in negative it is very simple. In simple present tense, when you are making negative sentences, always remember with negative sentences what you have to do. If you are framing, I'll rub it and I'll give you the structure here. I'll give you in comparison. The structure I will give you in comparison. So it will be easy to understand you. Just see. This is positive, this is negative, and this is interrogative. In positive, always remember with I, we, you, and they. You have to use V1 only. आपको क्या यूज करना है? केवल फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. In negative, what you have to do? With I, we, you, they, you have to use do not plus V1 or don't plus V1. Correct? Now, in question, what you need to do? In question, you have to put helping verb first of the sentence, and after that, you have to use subject, then first form of the word, then question mark. So, just you search it on. Okay? You just frame some sentences. For example, I go to school daily. In negative, I do not go to school daily. In question, do I go to school daily? Would you like to take an example? Okay, I'll take. I go to school daily. In negative, I do not go to school daily. Now you can frame the sentence from yourself. I do not go to school daily. In negative, what will be there? I do not go to school daily. And in question, do I go to school daily? Do I go to school daily? क्या मैं daily school जाता हूँ? Right? The question will be there. And if you have to make question word, then what you will make here? Why do you go to school daily? तुम रोज स्कूल क्यों जाते हो? और अगर उसमें आपको नेगेटिव करना है तो क्या करोगे? Why don't you go to school daily? So it is very simple. If once you will understand one structure, then it will be easy to understand all the structures. And if you are going in his sheet, for example, he goes to temple daily. He goes to temple daily. Negative में क्या हो जाएगा? He doesn't go to temple daily. And question, does he go to temple daily? So with I, we, they, you have to use V1 plus. Do not this, and we understand here with I, we, they, we have to use V1 only. But again, just you have to remember one more structure here. That is he, she, it names. This is singular number subjects and from plural number subject. I is the singular number first person, others are plural number subject. So with plural numbers, we are using V1 only. But if the matter is he, she, it and names, अगर आपका he, she, it और names है तब आपको क्या यूज करना है? आप हमेशा ध्यान रखो V1 plus SES और IES. Okay. In positive you have to use this. Okay. We have discussed. But if you talk about negative, then what will be there? With he, she, it names, you have to use does not plus V1 or doesn't plus V1. Okay. And in question, what you will do? You will put does in front of the sentence and it will become a question, and verb will be V1 only. Okay. So, does he go to school daily? Does he not? Does he not go to school daily? Or doesn't he go to school daily? Does he go to school daily? This will be the question. Okay. He goes to school daily. Positive हो गया. Negative, he does not go to school daily. और क्वेश्चन में does he go to school daily? This is all about, my dear friends, simple present tense. Now what you need to do? Your homework. Your homework is write your daily routine. Write each and every activity there. Good morning everyone. You start from early morning. Okay. Then you go till last when you go to bed. When you wake up early in the morning, I go up early in the morning at this time, then I get fresh, then I have bath, then I worship for some time, then I prepare breakfast, then I have breakfast, then I get ready to go to my office, my school, my college, wherever you go. And my dear friends, in afternoon what do you do? Then in the evening time what do you do? Then at night what do you do? Just mention each and every activity. This all will come into simple present, okay? And then you speak in front of somebody. By this you will be able to speak. Another thing, after making your daily routine, getting expertise onto this, you make the daily routine of your family members. Just tell me about your mother's daily routine. Then you can say my mother gets up. अब वहाँ पे आपका ऐसे ऐसा my mother gets up early in the morning at 5 a.m. Then she sweeps the room. Then she get fresh. Then she have bath. Then she worship for some time. Then she do this. Then she prepared breakfast for me. You have to just mention each and everything, okay, whatever she does. So you will be able to see the different people routines, okay. And my dear, by this way you will get confidence to speak in English. Thank you so much. So we will meet next with next tense, okay. That will be simple past tense. That will be what? That will be simple past tense. So let's see the simple past tense. Pause for a minute. Now we are going to discuss here simple past tense, okay. Understand what will be condition to understand simple past, okay. Simple past means what, my dear friends? The time which is past. The time which is past, okay. A day ago or some time ago. ऐसा कोई भी घटना, ऐसी कोई भी सिचुएशन जो बीत चुकी है, वो हमारा सिंपल पास्ट में जाता है. एक दिन पहले या कुछ समय पहले वो बीत गई है तो वो हमारा सिंपल पास्ट में जाएगा, ओके. सो हियर वी विल टॉक अबाउट पास्ट सिचुएशन. My dear friend, this is a very simple tense, very easy tense, okay. It is very much easy to understand because here rule is very simple. The rule is what? We will discuss into these three categories: पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और क्वेश्चंस. आप पॉजिटिव कैसे बनाओगे, नेगेटिव कैसे बनाओगे और क्वेश्चंस कैसे बनाओगे, ठीक है. और पहले अभी देखते हैं, ये पॉजिटिव हो गया, ये हमारा नेगेटिव हो गया और ये हमारा क्वेश्चंस हो गया, ठीक है. तो पॉजिटिव में आप कैसे बनाएंगे पहले वो आप समझ लें. पॉजिटिव में बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना है कि आपको पहले सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आप ले लीजिए. आई, वी, यू, दे, he, she, it and names. With all the subject you have to use V2 only. V2 only. सारे सब्जेक्ट के साथ में आपको फॉर्मूला क्या लगाना है? V2. V2 means second form of the verb. V2 means second form of the verb. Now in negative what you have to use? You have to use did not plus V1, okay. Or in short form you can say that didn't. D-I-D-N-T short form. D-I-D-N-T, didn't plus V1, okay. And in question what you need to do? Did plus question mark. Means you have to use did in the beginning of the sentence and after that question mark. One example we will take. We went to market yesterday. We went to market yesterday. कल हम लोग मार्केट गए. If we have to make it in negative, what we will make? Just understand first of all, you use subject, then second form of the verb, then first form of the verb, then object, okay. So here this is subject. After that V2 second form of the verb and after that object, okay. Now negative. In negative we did not go to market yesterday. कल हम लोग मार्केट नहीं गए. अगर आपको नेगेटिव बोलना है तो क्वेश्चन में आप क्या बोलोगे? डिड वी गो टू मार्केट yesterday. क्वेश्चन में क्या हो जाएगा आपका? डिड वी गो टू मार्केट yesterday. It's very easy. Here subject V2 then object, and here subject then did not then V1. यहाँ पे आपने did not यूज किया या didn't यूज किया. V1 and after that object. After that you used object. Here you use did first of all, after that subject, then V1, then object. So the sentence is very much easy to understand. Some more examples we can take. We went to office yesterday. कल हम लोग ऑफिस गए. We did not go to office yesterday. Did we go to office yesterday? So in this way we understand here simple past tense. Now the matter is, right, now we have to understand how to apply this tense, simple past tense, how we have to apply. For application, what you need to do, my dear friends, now till now you were reading things like this, okay, but now when you read something, now you try to see the things in tenses application form, in which form it is written, what it is saying. Is it written in present form, is it written in past form, or is it written in future form? Whenever you see anything, for example, when you will see any of the stories, okay, or children's story, when you will read children's story or when you will hear children's story will be always in simple past form. There was a time, okay, there was a time, there were 5 friends, वहाँ पे 5 दोस्त थे. You know, everything you will find into simple past. And always remember, it's not about only you have to use way to and then it will be simple past. No, when you know helping verb uses will be also here. In helping verb what will come, has, was verb will come in helping verb uses, and then had will also come in the use of helping verb. Okay, so was verb कैसे use होगा वो भी दिमाग में आप रखना. It's very simple. helping verb है, I के साथ हमेशा was use होगा, और he she it name सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट के साथ में हमेशा was use होगा, और वी यू दे के साथ में हमेशा वर यूज होगा, WERE. ये वेयर नहीं पढ़ते, वर पढ़ते हैं. और डिड नॉट का हमेशा ध्यान देना, उसको डिडंट बोलते हैं, डिडंट नहीं बोलते, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्पीक डिडंट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो डी साइलेंट देयर, सो यूज डिडंट, नॉट डिडंट. ओके, नाउ was I said with I and he she names you have to use was, and with we you they you have to use were. तो जब भी आप पास्ट में कोई चीज़ पढ़ रहे हो, लिख रहे हो, सुन रहे हो, बोल रहे हो, तो आप इन चीज़ों को अप्लाई करते हुए चलो. अब प्रैक्टिस के लिए आप यस्टरडे रूटीन आप बोल सकते हो. अब यस्टरडे रूटीन आप बोलोगे तो वो आपका ज़्यादातर जो है सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म में आएगा, मतलब सब्जेक्ट भी टू ऑब्जेक्ट के फॉर्म में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Good morning everyone, my name is Jyoti Singh. I am going to tell you about my yesterday's routine. Yesterday I got up early in the morning at 6 am. After that I got fresh. Then I had bath. After that I worshipped for some time. After that I meditate for some time. After that I record some of my video lectures. Then I prepared breakfast. After that I served breakfast to my family members. Then I went out for some shopping to buy some groceries. After coming back, I had bath. After that, again I started my work, and into that I had to prepare some note. I prepared some notes. After that, I saw some books. I was not getting it, so I got some books, whatever I was looking for. I prepared notes from that for my some more lectures. Okay, and after in the afternoon by 2 p.m. I took a nap for a short time period, 20 to 30 minutes. After that again I got fresh. Then I had some divvipe, or you can say that a little kadha, and after that I again recorded some lectures. Then I posted some videos on YouTube. In the evening I watched Ramayana from 9 to 10. After that I again studied for some time. Then I meditate. In the evening I did my meditation. I skip here. In the evening I did meditation from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. After that I had dinner by 10 p.m. After that I went to bed by 12 a.m. This is all about my yesterday's routine. Now what you need to do, you need to write your yesterday's routine in this form. The application will be this, okay? Subject V2 object with and the very simple. In this sense everything is in simple past. Okay, and my dear friends, अगर नेगेटिव की बात हो रही है तो आपको मैंने स्ट्रक्चर दे दिया, वैसे बोल लो. क्वेश्चंस पूछने की बात हो रही है तो डिड से आप क्वेश्चन पूछो. डिड यू कम to office yesterday? Did you go to market yesterday? You can put any questions, whatever comes in your mind. Okay, so this is all about simple past tense. Now we will discuss simple future tense. Okay, thank you. Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about simple future tense. Okay, first you understand what will be the condition of simple future tense. How will you? So now we are going to understand about simple future tense. Okay, in simple future tense we need to understand first of all the condition. What will be the condition? How will we understand this as simple future? My dear friend, in simple future means what? We talk about regarding future time, or we are planning something for future, then it will be simple future tense. Okay, for example, I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow means मैं कल आऊँगा. He will come from Patna tomorrow. वह कल पटना से आएगा. Understand? Here we are doing something in future time. Okay, in future is where in front of you. You are doing something in future time. So that will be in simple future tense. And it is very easy tense, because with all the subject you need to use will plus V1. What you need? You need to use will plus V1. In previous time shall was also used, but nowadays shall is very less used. So no confusion, do not keep any confusion. Okay, use will with all the subjects, no issue at all. And when you are talking in negative, then you can use will not plus V1. And when you are talking in questions, then use will in the front of the sentence and the question will be negative. Okay, for example, I will go to office tomorrow. In negative, I will not go to office tomorrow. In questions, will I go to office tomorrow? I will go to office tomorrow. I will go to office tomorrow means कल मैं office जाऊँगा. I will not go to office tomorrow means कल मैं office नहीं जाऊँगा. Will I go to office tomorrow means क्या मैं कल office जाऊँगा. So this is very simple, so simple. Understand here. This is your simple future tense. Okay. In this simple future tense, first I told you, this is your positive sentence, this is your negative, and this is your question. With I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and names. With all the subjects you have to use V1, will plus V1. You have to use will plus V1. Will plus V1. First form of the verb. With all the subject. Will, all the subject. You need to use will plus V1. This will be the formula. And negative. With all the subject, I, you, they, he, she, it, names, you need will not plus V1. What you need to use? Will not plus V1. Okay? In short form, what you say? Won't plus V1. You say won't plus V1. Right? And in question, will come in the beginning and it will become a question. Okay? And verb will be first form only. For example, I will help you. I will help you. मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा. मैं आपकी मदद नहीं करूँगा. I will not help you. I will not help you. मैं आपकी मदद नहीं करूँगा. क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा? Will I help you? Will I help you? क्वेश्चन में अगर आप बात करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Will I help you? और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क आ जाएगा. This is very simple sentence. Now the matter comes the application form. How will you use in day-to-day life, my dear friends? For application form, when you will talk about your tomorrow's routine. अगर आप अपने कल के रूटीन की बात करो या कल आने वाले समय में आप कोई भी प्लान किए हो, कोई भी काम करने जा रहे हो, तो अगर आप उसको करने की बात करो तो उसके लिए आप इस टेंस का यूज करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं टुमारोज रूटीन की बात करूँ तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी? गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज दिस एंड दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट माय टुमारोज रूटीन. टुमारो आई विल गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एट 6 am. Then I will get fresh. After that I will have bath. Then I will worship for some time. Then I will prepare breakfast. Then I will serve breakfast to my family. After that I will study for some time. then I will have my breakfast. After that, I will complete my household work. So you can mention from morning till evening all the activities. And if you want in much more regarding your tomorrow's routine, then you can watch my tomorrow's routine video. Okay, in future tense application part will be separately on YouTube. You can watch that video. Another thing is that you need to practice. What now you have to do? You have to prepare your tomorrow's routine and you have to speak it in day-to-day life. Okay, and you plan everything, whatever you are going to do, whatever you are supposed to do for tomorrow. Just for sample, I'll give you how you have to speak. Good morning everyone, my name is this. I'm going to tell you about my tomorrow's routine. Tomorrow I will get up early in the morning at 6 am. After that I will get fresh, then I will have bath, then I will worship for some time. After that I will prepare breakfast. After that I will serve the breakfast to my family members. Then we will clean the room, we will mop the room. After that I will shoot some of my video lectures. Then I will search some content, I will read some books, I will prepare content. After that in the evening I will take rest for some time, for half an hour, 1 hour. And after that in the evening or in the afternoon I listen some songs for half an hour, almost some in 8D devotional songs. Okay, and then in the evening again I'll schedule my work, I'll start my study work or I will shoot some videos. And after that, as it's lockdown period, so we can shoot the videos and we can put it on YouTube. There is nothing more to do, but I'm designing some of my meditations, so I will again refer my notes. I will prepare some meditations for you because I'm planning affirmations and the night meditation, the visualization technique. How can you achieve your goal? Okay, for night, how can you go to bed, or those who feel asleep the whole night. So those who are not able to sleep, those who has the insomnia problem, so I'm designing a meditation for them. For that I will design some of the content and I will record it and I will put it on YouTube by tomorrow. After that in the evening I will watch TV Ramayana for an hour from 9 p.m. to till 10 p.m. After that I will have dinner with my family. Then I will speak with my family members for some time. Again after that I'll study for some time or I will watch YouTube videos. And after that I will go to bed by 12 am. This will be all about my tomorrow's routine. So I hope, my dear friends, you understand everything. If you want anything in much more details, then please give your comments. I will share the things with you. Thank you so much. Love you all.